that place.
Which place?
I need that.
You need it? Is it Casa Bonita?
Mhm.
Do you want to go back there?
Mhm. Nothing. Any animals? Please go back there. See any
You
animals?
want to go back there to see animals?
Yeah.
What else do you want to see there?
Cats and elephants
Yeah?
and bugs.
Yeah. Did you like the cave?
Hey, it's dog in here.
It was dark in there?
Hey, wear a hat and a cave.
Did we wear a hat in the cave?
No.
Was it spooky?
Yeah.
Did you like the cave?
Yeah.
You want?
Cave is spooky last night.
Yeah.
I like that cave.
You don't like that cave?
Jackie and Daddy, and you? Are you like it?
I liked it. It was spooky. Yeah.
I want to go back there to see
You want to go back there and say ah?
Yeah.
And run?
Mhm.
Do you want to see the cliff divers?
Huh?
Remember the people that jumped in the swimming pool? Did you like that?
Mhm.
Did you like the bear or was he scary?
Here's Daddy.
If you see the bear, what are you going to say?
Mhm.
Are you going to say ah?
Mhm.
Okay, I love you.
Bye.
Bye.